Student, next quality is inferior goods. Inferior goods are low quality of goods. For example, jowar, bajra, maize, these are inferior quality of goods because these goods are consumed by our lower section of society whose income is low, and the superior quality of goods is wheat. Income increases, inferior goods decreases. There is an inverse relationship, as I told you earlier, that one is increasing and one is decreasing. It shows an inverse relationship. That means downward slope. That means downward slope of the curve. But here, inferior goods does not show a downward slope. It shows a backward bending curve. It shows a backward bending curve. Please remember this one. Income increases, inferior good decreases. Income increases, inferior good decreases. Quantity demand for inferior good decreases. That means according to the law of demand, it shows inverse relationship. But here inferior good does not show inverse relationship or downward slope. It shows a backward bending of curve. It shows a backward bending of curve. Explanation is here. As income increases, why is income? As income increases, the consumption of X means superior quality of good. When income increases, consumer are going to consume superior quality of good, that is X, rises, reaches at the maximum. But when the income of a consumer falls or declines, the consumption of superior quality of goods also declines. Therefore, the consumer income increases, consumer shifted to superior quality of good. When income of the consumer decreases, consumer again come back for the inferior goods. In the declining portion of X is an inferior good. This I am going to be explained with the help of graph. As you know, y-axis, as you know, origin, as you know, x-axis. Income is here and quantity demanded for inferior goods. The backward shape is like this. This is the backward shape of the demand curve. As I told you, this is Y0. Y0 means original income. Y0 is original income and QD or Q is a original income. When the income of the consumer is low, on that time consumer is purchasing low quality of goods. When income increases, this is the arrow. When income increases, that is Y1. When income increases, then quantity demanded for inferior goods decreases. Quantity demanded for inferior goods decreases. When income increases, the quantity demanded for inferior goods decreases. Is this clear? But when again income fall, then what happened? When again income falls, consumer again purchase the inferior goods. That means the quantity demanded for inferior goods again increases.